Neera Sareen here at Om Karma, your spiritual coach. From the segment Spiritual Gym, today I'm going to be talking about and guiding you to another step of living a spiritual way of life, and that is through following the path of meditation and chanting. मेडिटेशन हम सभी को पता है कि कितना ज़रूरी है. आज हर व्यक्ति मेडिटेशन के बारे में बात करता है, चाहे कोई डॉक्टर ही क्यों ना हो, कोई स्पिरिचुअल गाइड ही क्यों ना हो, कोई भी व्यक्ति जो है वो मेडिटेशन के बारे में, उसके जो फ़ायदे हैं उसके बारे में बात करता है. और जाहिर सी बात है, नथिंग कैन बीट मेडिटेशन. जो एक्सट्रीम फ़ायदा और जो एक्सट्रीम यूज़ मेडिटेशन का है आपके माइंड, बॉडी, हार्ट और सोल के लिए, वो कहीं और से मिलना जो है वो मुमकिन नहीं है. बहुत सारे लोग जो है इतनी स्ट्रेसफुल लाइफ को लीड करते हैं एंड दे रियली डोंट नो हाउ टू हैंडल द स्ट्रेस, हाउ टू हैंडल द डिफरेंट चैलेंजेस दैट दे आर फेसिंग इन देयर लाइव्स. बहुत बार उन्हें कहा भी जाता है, सिखाया भी जाता है, कॉर्पोरेट्स में भी ये बहुत होता है कि मेडिटेशन को अपनाएं कुछ भी समय के लिए, 5 मिनट के लिए. शुरुआत में यू स्टार्टेड विद 2 मिनट्स, 4 मिनट्स, 5 मिनट्स एंड gradually increase it, as per the time that you have, up to 10 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour, or even 1 hour. If you are spending a time with your own self, meditating, now there are so many ways to meditate. शुरुआत में, as a beginner, you meditate with some kind of a guided meditation, or you pick up some kind of music where you put your focused concentration on. Then you come to a more profound way of meditating, and that is meditating in silence with your own self, with your own body. Concentrating on your breath, concentrating on a chant. There are different ways to meditate, but the most simplest form and a non-complicated form of meditation is just to sit calmly, quietly, and witness your breath. Meditate focusing on your breath as you breathe in and you breathe out, the inhalation and the exhalation. Even if you do it for 2 minutes, the thoughts are going to come because there are so many thoughts that's going on in our mind. The thoughts are coming. Let the thoughts come and let them pass by. Do not get hooked on to the thought that's coming to you. उस thought को observe करो और उसे जाने दो, and you come back to your focus of focusing on your breath, or for that matter, if somebody is doing with a chant or somebody is doing with the music, come back to that. This is initially preparing you to go into the final meditation, which is the meditation in silence, which is the meditation, which is a Vedanta meditation, which is to be done with your awareness. Shuru mein, as beginners, all of these other props, they help us to take us into that state. But let me tell you that the phenomenal benefits of meditation is only when you start practicing it. Meditation के साथ साथ एक और चीज़ जो है वो बहुत अच्छी है, and that is chanting. किसी भी किस्म की chanting अगर आप लेते हैं, whether you're chanting on a mantra or you are chanting, the mantra can be as small, it can be even the Om, or it can be any other mantra that you are chanting, and you are focusing on every vibration, on every single word of that mantra. Because when you're chanting it, your mind is just focusing on the chant, on the words, or on the the effect, or on the vibration that that mantra is creating. If you are observing that and if you're chanting it, it's going to be extremely, extremely beneficial. Again, as I said, the thoughts are going to take you somewhere else, but you again come back to the chanting. This is at the onset. It does happen that the mind goes here and there, but then you have to bring your mind back to what you are, what you started with, where your focus was. So meditation and chanting is another very beautiful way, as you make it a part of your life, if you wish to live the spiritual way of life. if you wish to, if you go into the YouTubes, there are so many different kinds of guided meditations available. I have also, come up with certain videos in my channel which are guided meditations. You can also listen to them and start meditating. At least bring in a start. शुरू तो करिए, और अगर आप शुरू करते हैं तो आप देखेंगे कि आपको आदत सी पड़ जाती है. जैसे हमें और बाकी चीज़ों की आदत पड़ती है, उस तरह से जब तक हम ध्यान में न जाएं या जब तक हम मेडिटेट ना करें कुछ समय के लिए, हमें सारा दिन अच्छा ही नहीं लगता. वी डोंट फील दैट वी आर फुल ऑफ एनर्जी एंड वी आर फुल ऑफ दैट पॉजिटिविटी एंड दैट मोटिवेशन लेवल. So make meditation and make chanting a part of your life. Thank you so much and loads of love.